Good morning, the students of class 5th. It is due to the coronavirus. You can't come to the school and study your lessons. So that we are giving you the tips in online. That means online teaching we are starting from today for you. And you should stay at home and protect yourself and your family from the horrible coronavirus. Thank you. The first chapter of your S.st is the movements of the earth. You know that the movements of the earth, that is the first chapter. There was a time when the earth was considered to be the center of the universe, and the sun and the other planets were thought to be rotating around it. This was the belief of the earlier people. That means the earth was the center and the other sun and the other planets is revolving around it. But now it is proved that the sun is the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve around it. Heading: movements of the earth. The earth moves in two different ways. It rotates like a top and also revolves around the sun. Number one is rotation. That means rotation, the first movement of the earth. The movement of the earth on its own axis at an angle of 66.5 degree is called rotation. This is called rotation. The movement of the earth on its own axis at an angle of 66.5 degree is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. How we are getting day and night? We are getting the day and night due to the rotation of the earth. The portion of the earth that faces the sun has day and the portion away from the sun has night. The earth completes one rotation around its axis in 24 hours. That we call it as a one day. That means one day we are considering it as 24 hours. Number two, that second movement of the earth is called a revolution. The earth also moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The fixed path in which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. You can answer it. What is an orbit? The answer is this one. This movement of the earth is called the revolution of the earth. The revolution. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a particular orbit is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in about 365 days or 1 year. Exactly, that is that time is 365 1/4 days. That leap year that I will discuss you later. The biggest effect of revolution is the change of the season in our planet. You know that the seasons are coming: summer season, winter season, rainy season, and the spring season. 4 seasons are there. The seasons are coming due to the revolution of the earth. The revolution of the earth gives us different seasons. You know that different seasons like summer season, winter, rainy season and spring season. While revolving around the sun, the earth is tilted to the northern star. Northern star, you know that is the sun. The half of the earth that is tilted towards the sun gets longer hours of sunlight. When a portion gets longer hours of sunlight and has summer, it will get too much hot. That means the summer season will be there. The half of that is tilted away from the sun has lesser hours of sunlight and it has winter. So that those portion which is tilted away from the sun receives lesser sunlight. So that it is very cold there. So that winter season will be there. Today's homework: answer the following questions and learn. Question number 1. What was the earlier belief of the earth? I will repeat. What was the earlier belief of the earth? Answer is, the earlier belief was that the earth was the center of the universe and the sun and the other planets were rotating around it. Number 2. What is rotation and what is the duration of rotation? Duration means the time taken. Answer is, the movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours or 1 day. Number 3, what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun is called a revolution. Thank you. Have a nice day and try to learn and write what are the questions and answers I had given to you, so that you utilize the precious time you are getting from your school.